Charlotte now up to 76 homicides for 2017, already surpassing the 69 recorded homicides in 2016.
NBC Charlotte's Rad Berkey live tonight. Rad, you've learned some new details about the pregnant woman who was murdered.
Fred, that's right. We now know her name. We know that she was pregnant. We know that her boyfriend has been charged with 2 counts of murder, one for her death, the other for the unborn baby she was carrying. It is a tattoo like the one partially visible here on her Facebook picture that eventually led to her identification. Natalie Merrick, who was just 23, called herself Natalia. She lived with her boyfriend, Mahmoud Badi, in a townhome on Charlotte's Via Romano Drive. And it is here where she may have died, pregnant with another child, before her body was left under a bridge last week in Fort Mill. The exact cause of her death isn't known, but investigators have an idea.
Right now, the medical examiner in South Carolina has not determined that, although she did have injuries consistent with strangulation.
The boyfriend, Badi, was arrested just last August and charged with assault on a female. Police wouldn't say if that was Natalie, but pleaded with anyone who is a victim of domestic violence to get help.
If you're in that situation, we want to help you. We want to be a part of the solution to help you get out of that situation.
Across town in Charlotte last night, 2 more murders were added to the growing list of homicides. Police are hoping surveillance camera video will lead them to the person who got into a business on Amity Court and killed a man who was inside.
It doesn't appear that they knew each other. It just looks like a robbery gone bad.
And on Timberbrook Drive, Kwame Deese was shot and killed, police say, by Johnny Boyd. Another example, investigators add, of settling an argument with a gun. Now, Natalie Merrick's death comes during the waning days of the month of October. October, it turns out, sadly, is National Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Reporting live in Uptown, Rad Berkey, NBC Charlotte.
All right, Rad, thanks for that report.